What's good, fam? This your man Jimmy Conway, beatsforlyricist.com, music production tips. In this video, we're going to go over the Loopmasters kit called Neo Soul Essentials Volume 2 by Alien Audio. All right? So in this video, we're going to go over the drums. We're going to go over some of the keys. We'll go over some of the bass sounds, like the cornerstones of the Neo Soul sound. All right? So let's start off with the drum loops. All right? You know how we do. If you want to know what I'm using Loop Cloud. This is a product from Loopmasters. I'll leave a link in the description where you can use this. With Loop Cloud, I get access to over 4 million sounds, one-shots and loops, all different kinds of all different genres, all different instruments, and all sorts of different formats. So I'll leave a link in the description for a 30-day free trial. Also, if it's your first time here, go on the link, click the link in the description for my free drum kit, and check out the Neo Soul Essentials kit right now. Let's go. I like that. There you go. I'm buying that. I'll buy that. Ooh. That snare is everything. Got a shaker with some swing. Ooh, they changed it up, gave it a nice little rim shot. Actually, hold on. They ain't getting away with that one. Okay. Okay, so I can kind of tell that this hi-hat has like no quantizing on it, which is good. And this whole kit, it's relatively cheap. 452 coins, 452 Loop Cloud points. Otherwise, if you buy it from the Loopmasters website, you have to pay actual money. But with Loop Cloud, you get credits every month, and your credits roll over every month too. So like my credit's been rolling over. I just went under 2,000. I think my last video yesterday. Yep. Ooh. It's filthy. Yeah, this kid is pretty nice. Whew. Sorry. Ooh. All right. Mm-hmm. I got some drums. I got some drums to chop up later. Oh boy. This is. Yep. All right. Let's go to some keyboards. See what they got in the keyboard section real quick. See the loops. The drums are fire. All right. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. This kid is A+ so far, man. I don't know. Okay. Key game is strong. I'm gonna try to drop more videos like this to put y'all on the more kits. There's more than just the NPC expansions. I feel like the NPC expansions, although they are great sounding, are kind of limited. Um, for instance, uh, I haven't seen no country stuff up there, no disco. And just the amount of stuff they have on here is just crazy. Alright, let's try some bass. Nice stab bass. With some crackle in it, with some record pop crackle. Mm-hmm. 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 What else? What else can we check out? Those are the main ones. Let's check out some wind and brass real quick. Do they have any loops? Not really. Let's run this through a reverb. And don't stop there. Add a delay to it. Let's see. Something synced. Let's do some eighth note. Mm. The old Pete Rock. All right, let me know what you think, man. Let me know what you think of the Neo Soul Essentials Volume 2. Sorry about that. I just hit my microphone. Let me know what you think about it. My personal opinion, I kind of like this, man. I'm going to go through it right now. Um, right after I get off this video, I'm going to start chopping up some sounds and adding them to my MPC. I'll show you I'll leave a link to the video where I've done that before and show you how to do it yourself. But yeah, this is it. This is it. Neo Soul Essentials. And let me know what kind of. Let me know here. I'll show you the genres right here. Boom. Let me know what kind of genre you want to hear. You want to hear some lo-fi house? You want to hear some tech house? You want to hear some tribal house? You want to hear some dancehall? You want to hear some dub, future pop, sci-fi? Let me know what you want to hear from this genres, and I will make a video on it. That's. Leave a comment below, and if it's something that a lot of people want to hear, we'll make it happen. I know a lot of people in the lo-fi hip hop. We got that here too. Let's see. So yeah, just leave me a comment below. Let me know what you want to see from any one of these genres here, and I'll make that video happen for you. All right. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you'll get all notifications on new videos when I drop them. YouTube is a little funny with that sometimes, so yeah, just make sure you click the notification bell and the subscribe button. That way, there's more of a chance you'll get the video on your news feed or your home screen, whatever it is. Yeah, if it's your first time here, click the description below. Make sure you get my free drum kit below. I have a free drum kit for you. If you've been here before and you like this Neo Soul kit, that'll be the first link in the description below. The second link will be for Loop Cloud if you want to try Loop Cloud for 30 days free trial. Sorry, there you go, Loop Cloud, boom. This is a permanent part of my stable now, plugins. You can also use this as a plugin inside of your DAW, whether you use Ableton, Pro Tools, Cubase, the MPC as I've shown before. It's standalone and VST. So yeah, if it's your first time, make sure you get my free drum kit in the description below. If you've been here before, go grab this Neo Soul Essentials. It's pretty fire, as you heard. And if you've been here before, also click the Loop Cloud link. Get your 30-day free trial. Newcomers get the Loop Cloud 30-day free trial. It's pretty dope. All right? It's your man, Jimmy Conway, beatsforlyricist.com. Music production tips, and I'm out. One love.